How to create these effects using motion design in Unreal Engine 5. In this project, we have this effect. I think it's pretty cool. And yeah, it's like the wave effect. And here we have the directional lines and HDRI. And another folder is the cloners. And yeah, let's start it. And I will create the new level. I will select the list empty level. And before that, I make sure I check the HDRI and motion design. We need to check two of them. And next, I will create the directional line. And I will add the HDRI. And I click this one. And here we have these textures. And these textures I download from this website. And I will convert to JPG to HDRI use this website. So we coming back. I will select our new textures. This textures is not perfect, but I think it's good enough to our project. And the next thing, I will just our static meshes into the scene. And we reset it to a default position. And I will change this HDRI's value. We need to find our static meshes and scale it up. And then next, I will change these directional lines. Hold down Ctrl and L and right click. And you can move your mouse to change this directional lines direction. I think it's better now. And next, I will select this motion design. I will change this previews to default viewport. And here, maybe I need to rotation our static meshes. And the next thing, I will create the cloner. And next, I will reset the cloner to a default value. I will drag these static meshes into the cloner. And here, I open this material and open this one. And measure this one. We need to check it because I have checked it before. So I close it. And the next, I will change this cloner's value. And also you can change this spacing. And the next thing, I will create the effectors. And we select this shape to unbound. And the mode, I will select this one. You can change this value. And also change this pen's value. And yeah, we have the animation now. And the next thing, I need to change this value. And I change this pattern. And I select another one. And yeah, we have this effect now. I think it's better than before. And here you also can change these rotations. We have the different effects than before. And the next thing I'm gonna do as another effector. And I will change the name. And the shape, I will select this one sphere. I will change this value. And I will select this one, push. If I change this value, you can see it's much more different than before. But here I want to select this one, curve, and invert it. And yeah, you can see we have the holes now. Yeah, I think it's perfect. And the next thing, I will select our starting images, adjust to our theme. And put it to a right position. And scale it up. Yeah, I think it's perfect. And the next thing is I want to change these HDRIs. Also, I can change these locations because I don't want these object shadows. Yeah, I think it's better than before. And here you can add the camera. You can just into here, we can find a right position. Also, you can change this camera setting. You can change the lens setting. Yeah, you can change here. And you need to, and you can find the right angles to put your camera. Yeah, I think it's perfect now. I hope this video is useful to you. If you like my content, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you. See you next time.